To other news now, help us. A plea this evening from Jamaican medical students studying in Cuba. They're finding it difficult to access basic necessities like toiletries and food. Giovanni Dennis has been speaking with some of the students. Now, we've distorted their voices at their request as they fear backlash.
Like this might look scanty, but there's like a lot of people.
A recording by a Jamaican medical student in Cuba showing crowds outside supermarkets waiting for upwards of 6 hours just to check what food items are available.
Most of the times I have to wake up from 2 a.m. in the morning, and I'd have to wait until 9 a.m. to go to a store, as in we'd be waiting outside even during the pandemic, and like we sneak outside during curfew hours and we're hidden in bushes and stuff like that, waiting for the store to be open.
They've risked sending us these short videos demonstrating their plight and challenge in accessing necessities.
The lack of medication, the lack of supplies, such as sanitary napkins or pads, lotion, soap, shampoo, those necessities. And when I speak of the lack of food supplies, we're talking about basic things that we could have found back home, they're not here. So like your tin food, when chicken is scarce.
They've shared one of several letters they say they've written to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs seeking help. They say they've also reached out to the scholarship department in the Ministry of Finance.
We're not getting any assistance from the government or from our embassy here in terms of getting the items from Jamaica to Cuba. Our parents have done all that they can do in terms of buying items, packaging the items and having the items shipped to us. They even found a shipping company, paid all the charges and everything, which is very, very costly.
The parents will dig wherever and borrow from wherever and find wherever to pay for everything, just for them to just do the documentation that only they have the power to do. Just as Guyana, St. Lucia, Dominica, Suriname, Belize, and I can go on and on, give all the countries that have sent in several packages in the country. And even more of a now when things easier, when they can get this duty-free or whatever, because Cuba relaxed restrictions.
The students insist they are grateful to the government of Cuba because they tried to make the best of a difficult economic situation. They also say the Jamaican ambassador in Cuba is currently helping with clearing one shipment for a small group of the more than 150 struggling Jamaican students. But they feel disheartened and alone, especially seeing other countries like Guyana helping their students.
I can't even begin to express how I'm feeling. We've been trying for over a year now, more than a year, to get stuff here. And it's not a case that it's not possible. It is more than possible. Today I helped the St. Lucians take off their barrel off the truck. That ship passed through Jamaica. Can you imagine over 80 students or more? Everybody get a barrel. We've been trying, we've tried.
The students we spoke with are beneficiaries of the Jamaica-Cuba Bilateral Medical Scholarship Program. Our news team has reached out to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for a response, but there has been no reply to an email sent on Monday. Calls to the minister's phone went unanswered. We've also written to the Finance Ministry. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.